Hello, my name is Vega and I'm going to show you my program. So right here, what I did, this program is just basically, it will tell the user to input their username and you can see like the AI report from Mars space, and also once it show you the username, and then it will welcome the user like with the AI report, and will show you the AI report that will help notify the Mars space. So right here, I'm going to show you what it does. Let's just put Sandy, and it said, "Welcome Sandy to Mars Space Perimeter AT-83 AI report of tech dealing the Mars space. AI report will help out notify Mars space." So basically, it will notify us like with any detail about like the Mars space. So right here is the report of the tech dormitory, and right here tech dormitory, it has 13 bed. The dorm building type is AI smart dormitory. Tech dormitory safety status: Mars space is safe, true or false, and it'll say it's true. James Lucas check out around 10:30 p.m. and check in 11:30 p.m. Report tech cafeteria AI analysis. Tech cafeteria number of station is 8 and number of table is 10. The tech cafeteria safety status is safe, true or false, true. And right here, this is basically will tell you about the laboratory, if they have access, and if they do not, it is just say false. And if they do, it will say true. So right here is kind of interesting of me thinking about the safety and how someone can access laboratory, if they can allow to be there or they cannot be there. It will say it's false or your access is denied. So I hope you like this video.